Hey guys, Dark Rider again. I got you a Birds of Prey video. It's a series that I began to read recently, and it's really good. I really like it, but the problem, I start reading this series now, but DC is gonna reteam the whole team again with really weird characters is going to be on the team, so I'm really pissed about this. But you know, I'm gonna continue read the old issues and the latest volume until it's over. So here it is. We begin with issue 89, 80, 82, 92. Sorry, 92. Issue 93. I got issue 94. Birds of Prey. 95 with Lady Shiva. I got issue 96. Birds of Prey. 97. 98 with Batgirl, new Batgirl, which I'm really excited now that because DC is gonna bring back girl Barbara Gordon. She's one of my really favorite character in DC. '99. And issue 100. With all the female characters from DC. I got issue 101. Manhunter joined team. You know, Manhunter used to be a guy, but now it's a woman. Mental. I got Birds of Prey 102. And 103. I show you that this is going to be the new Batgirl back in this issue. Yeah. Misfits. She's gonna be Misfits later. And I got one issue from the next volume. Birds of Prey 11. Second volume. With Huntress and Catman doing stuff in this issue. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this was my Birds of Prey collection. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you and see you later.